Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing your game data and collecting evidence. Back up your saves folder so you can restore progress later. Once done, remove the mods and tray folders to isolate custom content and make a copy of last exception. TXT and client. TXT from the Sims 4 folder. These logs tell you where the crash happened. Make sure the game is fully closed and Origin/EA app is not running before editing or moving files, because locked files will block troubleshooting. Now you dig into the cause by scanning last exception for the faulting module or package name. That points to a mod, DLC, or game file. Next, launch the game with a clean mods folder. If it runs, reintroduce content in small batches to isolate the offender. For script mods, use conflict detectors and ensure versions match the game patch. If a custom package shows in the log, update, or remove it. These controlled tests isolate the trigger efficiently. Finish by repairing game files through the EA app to replace corrupted defaults. Once repaired, clear local thumb cache. Package and the cache folders, then test the game again. If crashes persist, reinstall The Sims 4 after moving saves back selectively. Make sure any enabled mods match the current patch level. Mismatched script mods are the most common repeat offenders. If things still fail, consult the last exception after each change to confirm progress. This file is your diagnostic compass when nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.